Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my one more video on Z transform. Let us find Z transform of 4 raised to n under condition n less than 0, means value exists for negative values only. And therefore, applying the result to find the Z transform of f of n, standard result, n changes from minus infinity to plus infinity, f of n into z raised to minus n. Capital Z stand for operator of Z transform and small z stand for the complex number. And then rewriting it, it is equals to this summation as n is equals to minus infinity to minus 1 f of n into z raised to minus n plus summation from n is equal to 0 to infinity f of n into z raised to minus n. And then for the negative values function exists, and for this range 0 to infinity function does not exist, and therefore it is summation from n is equal to minus infinity to minus 1 f of n. In that range value is 4 raised to n into z raised to minus n. We call this as equation 1. We put n is equals to minus r in equation 1, substitution, and then we try to find out the new limits. For n is equals to minus infinity, we get minus infinity is equals to minus r, and therefore we get r is equals to infinity. And for n is equals to minus 1, we have minus 1 is equals to minus r, means r is equals to 1. And that's substituting all these values in that equation 1. Equation 1 becomes summation from, for n is equal to minus infinity, we have r is equal to infinity, and for n is equal to minus 1, we get r is equals to 1. 4 raised to n, but n is minus r, and z raised to minus n, z raised to r. And then summation is from infinity to 1. We rewrite it as from lower side to upper side, from lower value to upper value. Therefore, it is r is equals to 1 to infinity. Combining or taking that r common, we have 4 raised to minus 1 into z and whole raised to r. Nothing but summation from r is equals to 1 to infinity. 4 raised to minus 1 we transfer to denominator, and therefore we have z by 4 and whole raised to r. In the first value r is equal to 1, we have first one as z by 4. For r is equal to 2, we get second value as z by 4 whole square. For r is equal to 3, we have z by 4 whole cube, and so on. And then from all this term we take z by 4 as a common. Remaining terms are, here it is 1 remains, second term as z by 4, next one as z by 4 whole square, and so on. Nothing but sum of this type of term, 1 plus capital X plus x square plus x cube and so on, is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus capital X. Here it is z by 4. So we have z transform of f of n, nothing but f bar of z, and that is equals to z by 4 multiplied by 1 upon 1 minus z by 4 condition mod of z by 4 less than 1. a region of convergence. Multiplying by 4, we have z by 4 multiplied by 4 minus z divided by 4, that goes to numerator, and with the condition 4 get cancelled, therefore we have z upon 4 minus z as the required answer for z transform, and the condition is mod of z less than 4. This is the region of convergence. If we try to show this region, this is this standard circle whose center at origin and radius 4. Therefore, if we consider this much as 4 distance, and if we try to complete the figure, x-axis, y-axis, origin, radius 4, and as that mod z is less than 4 means the value is less than the radius 4, therefore the interior part of that circle is the region of convergence. Over this region only the series is convergent. One more problem I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. You have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.